Alright, here are some units behind an alleyway. We got 2 refrigeration components. They're off right now. Here's another one. Here's an Armstrong air. It's running. Oh, actually, it's an airease. Looks like it's from 2018. There's a pane. $2023. I got an interesting one right here. Innertherm. Not running. Can't get to the data. Oh, it looks like there used to be a unit right here. But it either got stolen or removed. Got another pane. Not gonna get the data up. It's right here. 2018. Got another pane. I cannot get to the data on that one. Got several bananas. It looks like a Grand Air. 2023. This looks brand new. Oh, 2023. And here's a newer Goodman. Gulp and scroll. Also from 2023. There's some behind here. Got a Gree and an Amana. It's like a Prestige. I think this is disconnected. This is the last unit. 2007. It's like just in a basic ICP or something. And some window units right here. Alright. Got a Bryant, looks like a Legacy line up there. Yeah, it looks pretty new. This area is shut off. Pretty sure there used to be like a Lennox or something here from '99, which it got replaced. Or it got removed or something. We got a few more to film and then that'll be it. This one's older. LG scroll, I'm pretty sure. 2014. Yeah, that sure is an LG. This Goodman sounds noisy. Energy guide, it's a 14th here. There's this huge Guardian. And whoa, look at this. An old vintage Lennox. This thing's probably from the 80s. Whoa. And yeah, this looks like a... Oh, wow. This looks like it hasn't ran in a while. This one's shut off. And it's got a scroll in there. That sounded noisy. I don't have time to finish the spin down. Alright. Could try to find a... No, that's completely gone. Alright. That'll be it.